Good morning, everybody. Well, afternoon. We're taking a walk. Look, I got Mama Badger out of the house to take a walk.
Yay.
We're walking. We're walking. We're walking.
It's actually pretty nice out.
It is really nice out for like 2 days, and then it's gonna rain. But we're in Monette at Sister's house. Been working all morning, and now we're just getting a little fresh air, getting a little exercise. Don't get to do that a lot on the road. Get a lot of fresh air, but not much exercise. And then we'll go back and get to work. Tonight is the meeting for the female ride day, weekend after next.
Yeah.
So probably have some more details about that after the meeting. Otherwise, just a boring day here in Monette. Let's go for a walk.
Just telling you had Chinese last night.
I did have Chinese last night, cashew chicken. And then I got my...
Which way are we going? We'll go that way.
I don't
The
know.
road
Okay.
looks cool.
Road looks cool. Anyway, so my sister is big on birthday weeks. So I got my first present last night. It was a bag full of Peeps. She knows me.
Little birthday cake.
Wind is really blowing.
Yeah.
You guys are probably hearing that. Anyway, and little birthday cakes. She's trying to fatten me up, which is not what I need. And then Thursday night we eat at Nakado's, one of my favorite places to eat. Can't wait for that.
Hibachi.
Hibachi. Angie said I could take Thursday off of work since it's my birthday.
Yep.
Look at me go. Anyway, let's keep walking. See you in a bit. Alright guys, first day at my sister's, and it's pretty much a wrap. What a beautiful day. A little cloudy now. I think it's supposed to rain, like the rain's supposed to come in either tomorrow or the next day, and it's supposed to rain for like 4 or 5, 6 days straight, which doesn't happen very frequently in Florida, so it's tough for us Floridians to deal with the rain and the cold. Us Floridians are a whiny bunch, aren't we? We expect what we expect. Anyway, we had an awesome weekend at Spring Fling, and it got me to thinking about rallies. And you know, there are different styles of rallies, right? There are what I call, I consider rallies different. So I consider, like, Daytona is like a hangout rally, right? You go hang out at the speedway, you go hang out at the dealership, you hang out on the beach, you hang out on Main Street. But the riding's not spectacular around there. There's a couple of good rides, but for the most part, it's a hangout rally. And then you have rallies like Sturgis. Sturgis is kind of a combo, right? You can go hang out at the Chip, or you can hang out at Full Throttle, hang out on Main Street, or you can go ride. And the riding is fantastic, right? You got Iron Mountain Road, which is my favorite road out there. You got Needles, you got all the canyons. I mean, you have a lot of great riding there. What about you guys? When you go to a rally, what are you going for? Somebody made a comment, I think it was on one of my YouTube videos, that I guess they went to Spring Fling last weekend, and he's like, you know, there wasn't any vendors for my Honda Goldwing. And, you know, that kind of sucks, but like I told him, if you're a vendor, think of it from a business standpoint. Are you going there for the 5 Goldwings or the 5,000 Harley Davidsons and the Indians, right? So that's where they're at. But I never go to rallies, ever go to rallies for vendors. I go to rallies to either hang out with friends and family or to go ride. I think the thing about Spring Fling is it's kind of the best of both worlds. We have our crew in Arkansas, and we're meeting more and more people in Arkansas. We just love the area, we love the people there, and we're getting to know more and more people. But the riding, any direction from Eureka Springs, is phenomenal. I posted up some of the rides in Rever, so if you guys are in Rever, you can literally go click on it and it'll take you turn by turn on the rides we went on. But for me, that is what I consider a rider's rally. You go there, you ride, you end up at Switchback or the Cat House, and maybe even the Eureka Springs Harley Davidson, but that's for a short period of time. Most of the time you're riding, there's lots of great restaurants, lots of great bars, anything you can want at that rally. So again, what about you guys? What do you go to rallies to do? Lake of the Ozarks, same thing. We usually go down to the strip once. We go to the dealership once, which has all the vendors, and then we're riding. We're out riding the whole time. And you know, my motto is it's all about the ride, it's not about the destination. And I try to live that as much as possible. Sometimes it's about the destination because we got to get there, we've got an event or something going on. But for the most part, we're out there for the ride. And I'm just curious, what do you guys go to rallies for? Are you there looking for, you know, vendors and looking to get work done on your bike? Or are you there to go ride? Are you there to hang out at the bars? What attracts you? What makes you pick a certain rally to go to? Is it the riding? Is it the atmosphere? What is that? What is the magic formula that says, you know what, I want to go to that rally, and it's one of my favorites. I go year after year. You know, Sturgis, I understand Sturgis is the mother of all rallies, so everybody wants to go there at least once in their lifetime. But what about all the other rallies? Is it close proximity to your home? Maybe that's your common denominator, is you stay pretty close to home. You've got work. Hey, I understand completely. So you pick the ones that are close to your home. Or do you like to travel a ways and experience new areas and camp out or stay in a hotel? What do you guys look for? Like I said, in a rally, if you guys could name the ultimate rally, right? What would be like the top 3 things you like to see in a rally? There you go. Give me 3 things that are like most important to you when you go to a rally. I'm curious to see your answers. Comment below. Anyway, guys, that's it. We're just hanging out here in Monette, hanging out with family, and we've been working all day. Mama Badger's actually on a meeting right now with a couple of the other ladies from the Female Ride Day, which is a week from this Saturday. Party a week from this Friday. Then the next morning they're getting up. We're riding to the Steel Horse Rally in Fort Smith, Arkansas. The ladies are leading this thing for the Female Ride Day. So guys are welcome to, if you guys want to ride to Fort Smith with our group, come in Saturday morning. Actually, come in Friday night, party with us, hang out, stay the night, get up Saturday morning, let's ride to Fort Smith. All right? If you're coming, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, you guys have yourselves a great night, a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.